Hey, this is Jorge from Smithii and welcome to a new video. In this case, we are going to learn how to create a Solana token without coding in just 5 minutes and for $10–15. Before starting with the process, we are going to talk about two important concepts we should know before creating our token. What is an SPL token and what can we use it for? About what is an SPL token, SPL stands for Solana Program Library. So when we are talking about an SPL token, we are talking about a token that belongs to Solana Blockchain. We all know different SPL tokens like Bonk, Dust, Forge, or Solana itself is an SPL token. So now the question is, what can we use these SPL tokens for? Okay, the most common utilities are payment currency, contract execution, exchanges, governance, and equity. But in an NFT concept, we can say that the most common use or most projects use it for reward holders through staking or any other gamification method to give them any utility. Okay, then this token can have a liquidity pool to exchange to Solana or any other token, or also may have any utility. For example, it's common that project has raffles, games, mini games, are different purpose or utilities to use these tokens for. Hey, sorry for disturbing. This is just a reminder to smash the like and subscribe button, and that Smithii is the all-in-one management software for NFT projects. If you are creating one or you are managing one, you should try it for free on smithii.io. It will help you to improve the project performance, analyze and manage social media and team while you are slashing costs. Let's start directly with the process. In this case, we are going to use this tool, this software we are seeing here. Solana Token Creator is a dApp that allows us to create our own token, our own SPL token without coding in just 2–3 minutes with our own metadata or custom metadata and for just 0.5 Solana. Okay, in this case, I will let you the link on the description, okay, so you can go to it. And in this case, I'm going to create a token. I'm going to create the token Smithii, which is the governance token of my NFT project. So let's start. First of all, we need to write the name. In my case, is Smithii, and also the symbol. The symbol is important that only can have 4 characters. If I try to put more characters, it gives an error. Okay, so this is my name and symbol. If we go to decimals, the most usual decimals number we use in SPL tokens are 9. So if you are creating a token, I recommend you to go for 9. And if you are creating a whitelist token, go for 0. Okay. In other cases, just go with 5 decimals. We can continue with supply. In this case, I will put 999,999. Okay, which is the supply we have planned based on the tokenomics and the plans we have made. I highly recommend you to prepare a tokenomics and a plan for your token on how you are going to distribute it, how are you going to use it, the utilities it will have, and everything. The next step is uploading the token image. We can upload a PNG or a GIF. Okay, so in this case, I have mine here. Let me look for it. Okay, I have it here. This one, it's the logo of my project and the token itself. So here we have my image, and now the last step will be the description. Okay, in this case, I recommend you to be short, not extend too much, and tell something related to the project, of course. In this case, I will put Smithii is the Tilaris governance token. Okay, and I will put welcome to the new age, which is like the tag or the slogan we have on the project. So that will be the core process. Okay, now we can just connect our wallet here. I have mine connected yet, and we can click on create token. When we click here, a transaction should be opened. Here we have it. Okay, it asks us for 0.5 Sol, which is the cost, the fee this tool have, and we can confirm. Then it starts the process. Here you can see creating. It may take 1–2 minutes. So okay, the process has been completed. Below appears a message, a success message. So now we should have our token in the wallet. Let's see. I will open the wallet here, and here we have it. Here is the token, the 999999, the symbol and everything, the whole supply. We can open the source scan here and we will see it. Let's see the result. Perfect. Here we have it. SPL token address. We can click here and it opens the token we have created. As you can see, it's really fast and really useful because you don't need to hire any developer or something. It's automatic, and within 2-3 minutes you have your token created. And the most important here, and the fact why I like this tool, is that if we check here the authority, we can see this wallet. If we open here my wallet, I copy this address and I paste it here, you will see that it's the same one. So why this tool is useful and it's secure is because it gives you the authority of the token. So you have the control over your token, you have the whole supply, and this tool or this software doesn't have any access to you. That's important, that's useful, and that's cool because it's totally secure. Too much users use this tool every month, so it's secure. You don't need to worry about your funds, and if you are worried, you can just create a burner wallet and use it for creating your token. I think this is all. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.